Did the Indianapolis Police Department try to sabotage the David Bisard investigation?
Tonight, we have learned through testimony at a pretrial hearing that police secretly taped conversations of the lead prosecutor in the Bisard case. Derek Thomas has that story from Fort Wayne.
We learned today that blood evidence from vial number 1 will not be suppressed, and the .19 blood alcohol content of suspended police officer David Bisard will be entered into evidence. But that was almost a footnote to revelations that lead prosecutor Denise Robinson had been secretly taped once on the telephone and once during an interview in her office by police officers. Sergeant Dawn Higgins was a common thread in each instance, but it is not known if she actually did the taping.
I can't say that it was sabotage. I'm not going to say that. Certainly in more than 20 years of being a prosecutor, I've never heard of this happening. It's never happened to me. So I certainly took exception to it.
It is not clear exactly why the taping occurred, but Aaron Wells, whose son Eric was killed when Bisard's car plowed into him back on August 6, 2010, thinks some officers didn't want Bisard convicted.
Do I believe there was an obstruction of justice from the beginning? Yes, with a group of IMPD officers. Does that mean the entire department is bad? No.
Former Public Safety Director Frank Straub also enters into the scenario. Sergeant Kevin Wethington testified that Straub ordered him to capture all the emails of former police chief Paul Siselski.
I think I should not say anything at this point.
Were you uncomfortable spying on other police officers, basically?
That said, Judge John Serbeck said this case will not be a wide-ranging criticism of the Indianapolis Police Department. He said it will be about whether Mr. Bisard committed a criminal offense. In Fort Wayne, Derek Thomas, RTV6.
And Wethington also testified that former IMPD officer Ellen Corchella ordered him to go to the Internal Affairs office to secure and remove the entire Bisard file. He delivered that file to Corchella's office. She no longer works at IMPD.